How to turn on WhatsApp two-step verification with email.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we'll show you how to secure your WhatsApp by enabling two-step verification with an email backup. This quick setup adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Stay with us and follow along to keep your WhatsApp safe and secure.
Let us now begin the tutorial by opening the WhatsApp application on your phone, whether it's the personal or business version. Next, kindly tap on the bottom right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu of the WhatsApp application. Now, please scroll down within the Settings menu and tap on the Account option to proceed. This brings us to the key step. Please tap on the two-step verification option to continue the setup process.
Next, kindly tap on the Turn On option to initiate the process. Please enter your preferred 6-digit PIN code. Then, kindly re-enter it to confirm.
Now we arrive at the second important step. Please tap on Add Email to enter your backup email address. Kindly tap on Next to proceed. Please check your email inbox for the verification code sent to your address. Once received, enter the code in the provided field to continue. Kindly tap on Verify to confirm the code. And that's it! You've successfully enabled two-step verification with email backup on your WhatsApp account. This simple setup adds a strong layer of protection to your personal data and conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.